Everyone talks about finding the right house. Almost nobody talks about finding the right rate. And that is backwards. Here's the thing. The house you can change. You can renovate the kitchen, add a bathroom, paint every wall. But the rate you lock in on closing day, that follows you for 30 years. You cannot renovate a rate. So when you are out there shopping, the rate is not just a number on a screen. It is your cost of living every single month for the next 3 decades, right? Here's the part that blows people's minds. 2.5% versus 6.8% on a $500,000 loan. Same house, same neighborhood, same everything. The difference in interest over the life of that loan is $390,000. $390,000 on the same house. That is not a rounding error. That is a retirement account. That is your kid's college. That is real money sitting in your pocket instead of the bank's. Now, you are probably thinking, okay, but how do I get a 2.5% rate today? Rates are way higher than that. That is exactly the right question. There are sellers out there right now who locked in rates in the 2 and 3% range back in 2020 and 2021. And because of how FHA and VA loans are written, you can take over that loan, step right into it. Their rate becomes your rate. I had a client, Jeremy, who put $50,000 down on a $380,000 property and walked away with a 2.65% rate. Another client, Ben, and his wife, Liz, $16,000 down on a $430,000 home, 2.99%. That is a monthly payment that frees up about $1,000 a month compared to a new loan at today's rates. That is a family vacation every single year just from getting the rate right. The house matters, but the rate is the asset. Shop accordingly. If you want to see what this looks like for your situation, find me on Instagram, The Assumable Guy, or head to assumableguy.com. I will run the numbers with you. No pressure, just math.